So if we work out what power we want as our output, then we can work out our cables, our batteries, our voltage that we want to work at, and the current we're actually working at. Now, wires and current are really important because they will overheat if you get too thin of wires. Now, what we're seeing is a 1500 watt system running on 24 volts. That would go through 62.5 amps of current to produce the 1500 watts. If I went to 48 volts, I would only use 31.5 amps. So my cable size becomes very much smaller. So what we can do is we can work out though that current draw will make a difference in the battery size and our amperage in our batteries itself. So if we had a 30 amp hour battery, we'll pretend that they work properly and would run 31 amps for an hour. I could use a 48 volt battery for 1 hour at 31 amps or 32 amps. And that would give us 1.5 kilowatts for the whole hour. It doesn't quite work like that, especially with lead calciums and this, that and the other batteries, but that'll give you some idea. So our cable thickness and our amperage, we could use American gauge 4 to run at 48 volts, but with 62 we are looking at sorry, that should have been 6, but we're looking at least a 3 with a 24 volt system. As you probably noticed on the video that should have scrolled through, I'm using double 4s, which is 102 amps, and they are quite short cables. So that's one food for thought there.